Yeah, so yeah, I'm back, and today I will talk about Color. It's a new Unreal Engine 5 plugin. Of course, I don't know how, I mean, why those guys literally, when you install the TFP movement, they will literally change your Unreal Engine splash screen, but it's kind of good. I don't complain at all. So let me wait. Let me wait a little bit, and then I show you. Okay, hold on. Let me close this. Let me open Color, and I will create. I will start everything over so that you guys will literally see how to use everything. Right? I will reset library, and yes. Okay, now everything 200 pages gone. Now that's good. So the thing is, now we got nothing to. I got nothing to show. This is Color. Color is literally your Unreal Engine 5 color library. I mean, color palette library or color library, whatever you name it. And it's literally here to help you to literally save your color palette as different different type of files. Oh my god, I'm stuttering. And yeah, so let me just we can create a new color. Let me create a new one. I will create a white color, and we create a blue one. I will create a red one, and my favorite color, which is black, and maybe yellow because of bananas. And now the thing is, you can click Control and Shift to zoom your color library. There is some really good option. So your mouse is literally what will guide you, right? So here in color library, the first tab, if you click on left click, it will literally bring a swatch menu, and if you click right click, it will bring another menu. So let me talk about the left click. You see edit, this is just edit, like to change things, to change the color. And then we will have open in matcher. Matcher is I will talk about later, right? We got star, which will make you, if like it's make it favorite. So if you go to favorite, you will see your color there. And let me unstar it. And then auto name, this is so cool, and I kind of follow the CSS and creative description set. So I built like a small color database where every color is there, and it can literally auto create name. So if I do auto name, you'll see white. I auto name this one to blue, this one to red, this one to black, this one to dandelion, which is cool. Okay, let me show you something which is good. Let me put a weird color. This one, I think this one is good. No, let me create this one. Yeah. So this one, you might think it's green, but it's got a color which is light golden rod yellow. Light golden rod yellow. This name is weird, but anyway. So yeah, literally every name you can just change whatever, and it will give you a kind of certain name. What about this one? So sky blue. Anyway, so that's all for the left click, and then you got delete, which let me delete the first one. This one, it's because of the weird name. I will delete it. And maybe blue, it's kind of ugly, and yeah, so I might keep these ones here, right? So you can create your color page. Literally, you can have your the page. By page, I mean it's like a group. So group is more of like a page where there are different colors on it, right? And I think that's all for this, just for the tab here. Now let me go up here. We got a search bar. You can search your color like white. Let me search black and everything. So another thing, we can search by names. As you can see, we can link the page, and it will show you some errors on your colors, like low contrast. White and dandelion are nearly indistinguishable and hard to tell apart. This will like literally put the contrast down as shit. Sorry, it will literally put the contrast down, and then it will show you which one kinda look alike. So in different scenario, sometimes when you are checking your scene, you can put it in black and white. I think there is a black and white buffer visualization, visual lighting only. Yeah, like this, right? So the colors, they might literally be kind of like that. So you might need to distinguish them, and yeah. And then we got extract, which will take the color from the viewport. Let me go back to late. And if I zoom this basketball here, and then I extract from viewport, let me say 10 colors, and I extract from active viewport, you will see these color here. They are from our basketball. You have black, and every color is you got a name, and it will create a new page called viewport extract 10, and you can rename that color page, or you can delete it. Yeah, I don't need it. I will delete it. And yeah, and then you can extract from an image file. Let me grab an image in my picture. Yeah, from my picture, and let me screenshot. Let me maybe this one, or this Unreal Engine icon. See Unreal Sharp icon, and then I open it. You will see that it will bring all the colors that you did find in that image, which was turtle and medium slate blue, medium slate blue, and then some which are literally similar and everything. But there is a thing. I think if we do depute on import, and then let me delete again this one. Hold on, and then I check this one. So let me import again. I'm just trying. If it's broken, I go fix it. Maybe they're different. Let me see. See these values here. They might literally be different. 218. Yeah, you see, this is 918. So 218, 918, they are literally different. This is 218. Yeah, that's why it didn't work, this one. But I may fix it with some threshold. So if a color got at least some decimals of difference, it won't be taken. But anyway, so yeah, this is literally our color palette, or we can literally reduce the colors. Let me put 4, and I import again from that image. Open, and it will bring this one. Now we can delete the old one, and yeah. So the second page is a palette, right? But hold on, there is this button here I didn't talk about. I skipped it because it's so cool. The name is called import, right? If you click on import, it will bring this, and you can choose between different type of file type. We got color, our own JSON formatting file. We got GIMP. This one I will use right now, and then we got Adobe Swatch Exchange RSE. Also this one I got it, and Hex or Paint.net. So I downloaded some files here. Let me show you. So here, right? I got so many color list or GIMP color palette. Let me pick a random one like Crayola. I don't even know how. And I open, boom. You see we got some colors here, which is really cool. And they literally come with different names. So the thing is, as we are on, it will create a page with those colors in it. And I tested the limits of the there's no limit actually. You can literally bring 10,000 to 20,000 colors, but just pay attention. Drawing these boxes is resource intensive. Like it will literally eat your memory if you have like a slow CPU, because it will draw all these boxes with those colors. So pay attention. At least limit yourself to 100 to 500 to 1,000 colors. Not like me, I did 10,000, which was crazy. But anyway, now if I jump to palette, this is what I like. So you can literally see your colors and in different type and yeah, it's just a different view with some good preview. The thing is, we can do this, and I open my material instance, and then now the funny thing is in Unreal is, if I do click, I copy color and I shift click, it will bring it here, which is also cool. If I copy this and then I shift click here, you see here, right? So it's more of I copy and then shift click, hold on, copy, and then shift click. Am I clicking shift at all? I don't know. So yeah, let me try green, shift click. So shift click ain't working anymore, which is crazy. So yeah, literally, so we can literally do that, and you can paste it or shift click, but my shift click, I don't know what's wrong with it. Am I clicking with a left button or a right button? I don't even know. So let me save this one, and yeah, let me talk about even here we can literally do like a favorite. You can start this one, you will see a small icon, the star icon here. So all the colors that you did like, you will see them here, and in your color library you will also see that small star, and you can literally, let's say I like gold, and you have a star. I like this white here and this blue, and it will create your favorite page. So here you can literally visualize all the colors that you liked, right? And I think that's all. As a, and you can also export your colors. You can export them, all the pages, and yeah, it will literally just create a file for all your colors, which is something. And I think that's all. And I'm literally, and you can export the page also as our color JSON or whatever you want. If you want to use it in another project or another program, you are free to do so. And I think that's all for a free plugin. I think it's enough, right? And I was thinking maybe I should add something good like color or whatever, but nah, I think it's enough. So the last thing is matcher. The matcher is for those who work with UI. So as I work so much with UI and Slate, UMG, and sometimes when you're working, you don't know which color you pick, right? So literally, this is what you're gonna do. In the base color, if you choose, let's say I want a red color as my button, you will see it will kind of match your, it will try to match the color you picked, and it will bring you an accurate kind of coloration, not like accurate, but a proposal. You don't need to follow it, but it will just propose you. If you choose this one here, maybe try to put your text in white and your background in this kind of weird color, your button in pink, kind of pink, red, and everything else, right? And you, if you want, you can literally do like, no, I want my text to be red. And now if I do this, you see it will follow. It will kind of follow. Now it may be for my border to be blue, or my surface, this one, my panel, or my background to be blue, or my accent to be blue, or whatever you want. Literally, it's just you. And after, when you're done, you will literally just do a save as page. It will create a new page. Now if we go to palette, you will see your page there with all the colors that you created, and they will have name like background, surface, border, and text. Text secondary, button text, and button hover, and accent. And now you can go to your UMG widget or UMG panel, and you will literally assign all the colors there. And I think that's all for this video. So because the thing is, I don't like is yapping in my videos because I don't control myself. Anyway, let me check. I prepared 3 videos. So this one is how to use it and all the features that we got. And I think I covered everything. Let me just delete this one. I don't need it anymore. And now we are done. I can publish the plugin. It was so weird, but we are done. And guys, thanks for watching. See you for the next one. Bye.